So this is also example 8.24 is also a second order linear differential equation, right? And it's only a 3-mark question as part of section B. So let's start. So let's write the characteristic equation, right? So to write the characteristic equation, what we're going to do is we're going to replace all these d's with p's. P squared plus p plus 1 is equal to 0. Now straight away when you look at this equation, you know that when you try it with sum and product method, you will not be able to find the roots of this equation, because the roots are going to be real and imaginary here, right? So in this case, it's going to be a complex number, right? So in this case we are going to use the formula. So I've just written down the formula over here. So whenever we have an equation like this, alright, this is the formula which we'll use to find the root. So in this case a is equal to 1. The a, b and c are the coefficients of p squared p and 1 here. So b is also going to be 1 and c is 1. So when I substitute in this equation, I'll get p is equal to minus b, which is minus 1, plus or minus root of b squared, which is 1, minus 4 into a into c, which is again just plain 4, by 2a, which is 2. So I can write it as minus 1 plus or minus. This would be minus root of minus 3, right? Instead of that, I can put an imaginary here, root of 3 by 2. And this can be written as minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. So whenever we are going to have roots of the form a plus ib and a minus ib, my characteristic equation, right, my solution would then be y is equal to e power ax, right, into a cos bx, the b here is the small bx, plus b sin bx, where capital A and B are just the arbitrary constants and small a and b are the roots here. So in this case my equation would become y is equal to e power a, instead of a I have minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2x into a cos, here small b is root 3 by 2x, plus b sin root 3 by 2x. So just remember this formula whenever you get the roots of your characteristic equation to be of the form a plus ib and a minus ib, that is the roots are imaginary, real and imaginary, then this will be the formula. Y is equal to e power ax into a cos bx plus b sin bx. Just substitute for the small a and small b from your roots here, and that would be your final answer.